So hate. Hang on, why do we have to hate it?
3 words, Doctor Who convention.
I did not force you to go to that.
You walked out of the house in a fez and bow tie. I went so you didn't get beat up.
Made it happen. And you mark my words, I'm gonna rip that guy off. Yes, I'm starting my own comic book convention, and I thought that your client, Robert Downey Jr. Oh, how much does it cost to get them off my lap?
No, something about a convention.
Oh, right. Well, my friends and I couldn't get into Comic-Con this year, and...
Hey. Oh, hey, Monica. I heard you saw Donald Trump at your convention.
Yeah, so I'm waiting for an elevator. Hey, Rach, can I borrow your eyelash curler?
In English vocabulary, we will learn the word convention. It means a meeting or formal assembly, as of representatives or delegates, for discussion of an action on particular matters of common concern. Also means U.S. politics. Pay attention to the pronunciation. The first one is the word represented using the International Phonetic Alphabet. To pronounce convention, have in mind that the size of the syllable indicates where the accent or stress is. In this case, the accent is in the second syllable, corresponding to ven. Below are other ways to pronounce it. Now, let's see how convention is used in real life.
So, Clive, you in town for a convention, or do you?
I'm sorry, sir. These are for the pharmaceutical convention.
Let's see, the magic store, the Doctor Who convention,
And possibly the Geneva Convention. Yes, I'm starting my own comic book convention, and
Telling him it's a non-optional social convention.
What?
I'm starting my own convention.
I may get to speak at this paleontology convention if I...
Hey. Oh, hey, Monica. I heard you saw Donald Trump at your convention.
Yeah.
You're not gonna make your own convention.
You know.
Take the test at accent101.com to find out si sabes inglés o hablas inglés.